How to download TradingView on PC for free. I know a lot of you guys want to start trading online, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get started. How to download TradingView on PC 2025. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to head into your browser and you want to type in gd7please.blogspot.com/2025/11/td.html and you want to hit enter. Once the site loads, you want to scroll down and you want to press on TradingView, this hyperlink. Once you're on TradingView's website, you want to press on download for Windows and it's going to start downloading on your computer. How to download TradingView on PC Windows 11. Once it's done installing, this is going to show up on your computer. You want to press on TradingView and it's going to ask you to install. You want to press on install and TradingView is going to start installing on your computer. How to download TradingView on PC for free. As you can see, TradingView is now installed and running on my computer. As you can see, I can check on stocks and stuff. So that's it for the video, guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, don't forget to join the Discord down in the description.